Hi everybody, today we would like to demonstrate how you can change the Spotify password on a mobile phone. So unfortunately you cannot do that directly from the Spotify app, so let's go ahead and open up the web version of Spotify. Here simply log into your Spotify account, then open up the profile details or account overview as it is precisely called over here. At the top part of the page, expand the possible categories you can go. In here you'll find the change password category, and at this page simply enter the current password of yours, then the new password that you would like to use, and repeat, or should I say confirm, the new password. After that, tap on the set new password button, and that will be pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.